Shalom Chavarim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be your Tech Tuesday tutorial in which we will describe how to obtain a Google account and how to use Google Drive and how to create, edit, and share a Google document. In order to obtain a Google account, you'll want to click on this link or this URL, which I have already set up. And here it is. And once you have a Google account, you'll have a Gmail account and you'll have access to Google Drive and YouTube and a whole bunch of other wonderful and helpful web tools that you'll be able to use for both instruction, Judaic instruction, and for staff development. So you want to complete this information, as it says here, your name, your username, create a password, your birth date. Just follow all the instructions here. Don't forget to record and type in this area these numbers, indicate where you live, and agree to the terms, and you will have a Google account. So once you have a Google account, that means you'll have Gmail and you'll also have Google Drive. So I'm going to take you to my Google Drive account by clicking over here. Okay, and you will have a Google Drive account. So this is your Google Drive. And what I simply wanted to show you is with Google Drive, by hitting this rectangle where it says Create, you can create a document by clicking here. Okay. So you can create a document, which we'll go over later. You can, at the same token, by creating here, you can create a presentation, which we'll describe later, spreadsheets, forms, drawings, all kinds of web tools. Now, by the way, with Google Drive, if you want to upload a file from your computer, you just click on File, and it takes you to your computer, and you can actually click on some particular item. Let's say a blog, I wanted it. You just click here and you can actually hit open, and it will upload your item from your computer onto your Google Drive. But we're not going to do that right now. What we're going to simply do is to demonstrate how to create a Google document. So what we do is we hit Create and we go to Document. All right, and let's create a Google document. First thing you might want to do is name the document, and we'll call this a sample document. Sample document. Okay, and hit OK. And let's use the menu over here, menu editor, and we'll center align it and call this sample document. Now you can do a lot of different things with the sample document. You can highlight it here, and you can boldface it, you can italicize it, you can underline it, you can change the color of it. Okay, so if you wanted to make it blue, all right, and you could change the font, and that's simply a sample document, and that's basic information about creating a sample document. Now, what's very important is this share mechanism. Okay, you see this little blue rectangle over here? Now, right now, it's only available to me. But if you want to change that and you want to place it on the web for anyone to view, you click this radio dial here. If you want to let anyone to edit it, you click that over here. If you want to change the setting and have anyone with the link for that page, the sample document, you click there, and you can choose to allow people to edit, comment, or to simply view it. Or if you wanted to this document to go to specific people, Then you just click that and you hit save, and that's how it works. But right now, we're going to keep this as private for me. But if you want people to access it, you can put their names in this particular box and give them permission to see it. All right, so let me cancel this and get to the sample document, and let's see if we did all the things we said we would. How to obtain a Google account, we showed you how to do that. How to use Google Drive, I think we showed you that with Google Drive you can make documents and PowerPoints and drawings and spreadsheets, and we showed you how to create, edit, and share a Google document. So that is the end of this tutorial on how to do these various operations, and thank you for reading the Tech Tuesday column. I'm going to terminate the recording